also supports our military, our homeless veterans, and the Gary Sidney C Foundation. For every bar you purchase, they also send a bar overseas to our military. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to eurosoapcompany.com, choose your favorite scent. You could also buy the t-shirts and hats. And when you go to the discount, when you go to checkout, put in the discount code BADGE. And that's in reference to badge. Everybody needs one. And hear what he has to say about it.
You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it. So I'd like to thank Saucy very much and all her subs and viewers and everything. Thank you very much.
Okay, the ingredients that's going to go into this is going to be 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of potatoes, dry potatoes, however you call them. I know I'm horrible. That's the only thing I use instant potatoes for. And these are the seasonings that's going to go in there. And it's going to be onion powder, granulated garlic, oregano leaves, ground sage, and paprika. So don't ask me the measurements. I will try and guesstimate as I make it. Alright? So be right back. Okay, first we're going to start off with paprika. You don't want to put a lot on paprika because it will make it look like it's burnt. But you do want to give it some color. So I would say about 2 teaspoons for the amount I said in reference to 2.5 cups of flour and 1 cup of the potato spuds. Now you want some chicken flavor into it. So I'm going to say probably about a tablespoon of ground sage. Gotta have some herbs in it. I'd say probably about a tablespoon of sage. I'm sorry, oregano. Don't be chintzy on the garlic, as I always say. So, trust me, give it some flavor. Yeah, about a tablespoon and a half, maybe. And on the onion powder. About a tablespoon and a half of that. Alright. You shake it up. Make sure it's mixed in real good. Tell it is, and we'll go for that. Those little lumps, that's the potatoes. That's what's going to help make it crispy and also give it a good flavor. All right, be back in a moment. We're going to start breading the chicken. All right. Okay, right now I just got only thighs and legs in here, and it's in them just in regular milk because all the seasonings is in the breading. This helps it stick. I don't do that double dip where I put it in flour first, then put it in milk or buttermilk, and then put it in this. That makes it too thick of a coating, and I want these to cook. These will be just perfect, trust me. All right, let me move this to the side. Oh, you want to get yourself one of these guys. All right. Slide it with parchment paper because it's going to be a mess. Alright, let me adjust the camera here. Be right back. Well, guess what, people? Yep, blooper alert. I had gloves on, so when I hit record, it didn't hit because I had to remove the glove, touch the phone, put another glove back on. Anyways, what I'm doing right here is I am breading them up, but you don't only... With the thighs, I wouldn't put more than 2 in at a time. No, so with the legs, about 3, because you want an even coating. You don't want them sticking together, because that makes more of a mess. And if you see any spots that haven't been covered, then just touch it around and get some breading on it. It is real easy, and trust me, it's an easy cleanup overall. I'll give a review at the end of this video and let you know what I really think. So because I haven't gotten to this part yet, but I will. You know what? I'll just give you the review real quick while this is being done, just to let you know the cleanup on the inside of this, of that one with all the holes on it, is a little bit more difficult. You need a small bottle washer to get through each one of those holes, and I didn't have one, so I had to take a toothpick and go all the way around each one of those holes to get all that breading off of that on the inside of that. But other than that, it made it a lot quicker. Those were 4 small legs, and that's the reason why I was able to put those in, and I got an even coating on those as well. But anyways, we're just about done here, and let's go over to the fryer and I'll show you what else needs to be done. So be right back. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is going to be at 300 degrees for the thighs, 325 for the legs, and 350 for the tendons. Hold on, I gotta give me some gloves on. Yeah, at least just one glove on. You want to put it skin down side first. I'll show you the reason why when we get there. We'll put 2 in each one. Approximately about 25 minutes for the thighs at 300 degrees. But I'm going to show you a secret on how to make sure it's cooked all the way through. But I have to wait about 5 minutes, 7 minutes to get it started. So I'll come back then. Okay, first off, you got to read my t-shirt. It says, Towboating has saved me from being a porn star. Figured y'all get a kick out of that. Let's see how many people commented on this. Alright, 2 things you're going to need. You're going to need tongs. You're going to need a meat thermometer. No, it's not to check the temperature because this one's broken. But I'm going to show you what to do with this with chicken. Alright? Remember, you put it skin side down, so it's already starting to be crispy. Guess what? It's already done one thing that I wanted to do. Bust that vein. You poke holes in it. All the way through. All the way next to the bone. Underneath that skin. And through like this. And now you put it bone side down. Here we go. Okay, I gotta find that vein. I know it's around here somewhere. There it is. Probably on the other side. Yep, there it is. You want to make sure you poke that vein, pop it. Because that sucker takes a long time to cook. And just poke holes in it. Put it down. It'll start bubbling more because that vein's busted. Oh, nope. It's over here. There it is. Like, usually on this side. Oh, nope. It's there. There it is. See? Oh. Poke holes all the way around it. It's not going to hurt it. It's not going to overcook it. And it keeps it juicy. Alright. This is how you check it. Poke it again. Dig around in there. Okay, I still see a little bit of pink down in there, so it's not quite done. I'm going to give it about another, I'd say 6-7 minutes. So I'll be right back. Yep, clear juices. There we go. Okay, this is how we check them. How we do this. See, I can already tell where that blood vein is, so I just go in there. Poke it all the way through. All the way around. From the bottom. And guess what? You also do it from the top. As you can see, I've already done some chicken tenders at 350 degrees. Takes about 7 minutes, if that long. Pop them in, and this is what they look like. Okay, now, of course, these guys, because they don't cook as long, they don't get as dark. You don't want to overcook them to be that color, because then you got dried white meat, and that's horrible. But this is what it looks like. And here, listen. You hear the crispiness? I'm not going to eat any of this because I'm trying on my diet. Be right back. I also want to show you, never cover anything fried. It's keep the steam in. It'll soften up and make it soggy. Put a rack underneath it. I should have shown you that rack underneath it, so with a paper towel underneath that rack, that gets all that grease that may drip out. But if you keep a towel over it, it keeps it from getting soggy. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about fried chicken. And if you didn't, if you know a better way, let me know. Because I'll try your way. I have no problem with that. I can take constructive criticism as long as it's constructive, not being mean. Alright people, if you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button, click on that bell, get that thumbs up, introduce yourself in the comments, I will respond. And to all my other regular subscribers, I love you darlings. So you all been here for me forever, just about all of you, and I appreciate it. So, with that said, I may see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Till then, bye-bye.